So I'm using this eyeshadow primer by NYX. You don't need much. I'm going to spread the primer with fingers. I'm going to be using this shade first. I'll be using this shade as a transition color. Next I'll be using this orange shade. I'm mostly using it on the outer corner and taking it a little bit inwards. Next I'll be using this light green shade. To define my outer corner, I'll be using this dark brown shade. Next I'll be blending it. I'm blending any harsh lines. With the help of an angular brush, I'm taking the same brown shade on my lower lash line. Next I'm going to be using some glitter glue. I'm using a silver glitter. It's like Kryolan. It's a loose glitter. Next, with a small brush, I'm going to be highlighting my inner corners and brow bone. For that, I'll be using this shade. If you have really hooded eyes, you can skip this step of highlighting your brow bone, or else it will make your eyes look more droopy. Next, I'll be tightening my waterline. To apply lashes, I'm using this Swiss Beauty lash glue. I'll be putting the glue first on my lash line. The orange shade that I used earlier, I'll be using on my lower lash line as well. So my lipstick, I'm going to be using a nude shade. So I'll be defining my lips with the brown shade first. For lipstick, I'm using this shade by Maybelline liquid lipstick in flattering nude. So to get that dewy finish, when your spray is about to dry, you apply some highlighter. So this is the final look. I've applied lenses and mascara off camera. I've also applied some clear gloss on my lips. So if you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.